Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we are bringing you a brand new unboxing video, and we got a little different of an item today. So, if you did not know, Supreme released something a little out of the ordinary for a streetwear brand, but I'm with it, and I had to order a couple, of course, you know, for the personal. But first thing we're gonna do is go over the stickers, and these are pretty cool. Obviously, this is the voting one that they have. I'm gonna keep it, not gonna stick it, not gonna do all that. But then we got this Supreme, other one, the copyright Sony Music Entertainment on the back. So they used that. That was from I want to say a Wu-Tang members album. And then we got Ultra Fresh Supreme. They hooked it up. They gave us 4 stickers. That's big for Supreme. And then we got this design that, I mean, it's pretty cool on a sticker, but let's get into what obviously you guys are here for. And they wrapped it up and it smells so minty fresh, like actually. But if you guys can see, let's get a close-up of that. I mean, can you believe that they have their whole branding on this box? Like, that is actually crazy. They really pulled through with that. And then, of course, since I'm keeping one, I'm going to open it for you guys so then we can see what the inside looks like. But I mean, I thought this was a pretty interesting item, and it wasn't too expensive either, so I definitely had to buy it. I'm gonna keep 1 or 2 and then sell the other 2 probably. But you could tell, go on the back, it says Supreme right there, flip it over. Like, they really put like a lot of effort into this piece just to sell it for like so cheap. But they probably made so much of it. I mean, it's with an actual brand too. It's not like they just threw their logo on a random piece of toothpaste or whatever. Like, it's with an actual brand, Colgate. Like, that is crazy stuff. Supreme always leveling it up with their accessories. But I mean, let me know what you guys think down below. I think it's a pretty cool product. It's something pretty interesting if you're a collector. And then look at that detail right here, like, no joke, like, they really went in on that. So props to Supreme, props to Colgate. They did great on this little collab. Anyway, let me know what you guys think down below. Are you gonna buy it, resell? Did you end up buying it? I bought 4 of them. So like I said, I'm gonna keep 2 and then probably sell. I'm probably gonna keep 1 dead stock, use 1, and then, you know, sell the other 2. But let me know what you guys think of this. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. This has been Josh, and I'm out. Peace.